Next, in Scratch we are going to create a maze game. So here we have downloaded a image of maze. So this maze I have downloaded, which I am using it as a backdrop. Now in sprite we are going to select a ball sprite. This ball I am selecting, and I'm placing this ball here. Along with that, I'm reducing the size of ball from 100 to 49. So this is the size of ball I have taken. Now I want to move this ball in this maze. So movement will happen with up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow key. And this game should start with when we click this green flag. So we'll go to events, and events when this green flag is clicked. So before doing anything, what I'm doing here is I'm fixing the position of this ball here. So we'll go to motion, and in motion go to X minus 209 and Y minus 137. So this is the position X minus 209 and Y minus 137. So if we drag the ball here and if we click here, so again ball will move to its this position. Now here we'll go for forever, and in forever I'm going to put this if then block, and in this hexagon we have to put the condition, like if ball is moving here and by chance if it touches this green line, then what should happen, it should come back to its previous position. That means X minus 209 and Y minus 137. So here we'll go to sensing, and in sensing we'll go to touching color. And here this is pink color, we want green color, so we'll click on this color. We'll click on this dropper. We are provided with this magnifying glass. We'll bring our glass on this green line. So here we can see that our green color is selected. So whenever it touches this green, that time what we want that ball should again come to its previous or initial coordinate, that is minus 209 and minus 137. We'll go to motion again and go to X minus 209 and Y minus 137. Along with that, it should create a sound. So we'll go to sound, and here I'm choosing display sound, pop, and here instead of pop I'm doing boing sound. Next we have to move this ball left, right, top and bottom. So for that, here we'll go to control, events, and in events we are provided with this option when space key is pressed. So we need it 4 times, so I'm taking it 4 times. And here in first I'm choosing up arrow key. If up arrow key is pressed, then what we have to do, we have to go to motion and change Y by, here it is given 10, so instead of 10 I'm doing here 5. Change Y by 5, and along with that it should create a sound of pop. Now we have done for up arrow, same for down arrow we have to do. So whenever down arrow key is pressed, then change, here instead of X we have to take Y. I'm taking Y, so I'm putting it for right arrow. And here when up arrow key is pressed, I'm taking Y, change Y by +5, and it should create a sound pop. When down arrow key is pressed, again we'll go to motion, change Y by -5, and it should create a sound along with that. For right arrow key, change X by +5, and sound we have given pop. And for left arrow key, change X by -5. -5, and along with that it should create a sound, pop. So here we have done our part of coding. So when I will click this green flag, now whenever we click this up arrow, the ball will start moving upside. So here with this sound, ball is moving upside. Now here we have provided condition that if it touches this green line, then it should again come back to its previous or initial position. So here I'm moving it right side. So as it has touched this line, it is again on its previous position. So with up arrow key, it is moving upside. With right arrow key, it is moving right side. With down arrow key, it is coming down. Again with the right arrow key, it is going right. Again down arrow key, right arrow key, up arrow key, left arrow key, up arrow key, right, down, again left, down, right, and down. Now here if it touches this green line, it will go to previous position with the sound of going.